Today I decided to have a drumstick today, and I eat one whole drumstick on my way because I was really hungry, but I want to eat it with my salad and my tomatoes and my breadfruit. See, nice and yellow breadfruit, so yummy and delicious, and I can't wait to eat it. And I thank God every day for His love and mercy and give us food every day. And if you really love this healthy food, please subscribe and say something to God and thank for the food that you have wherever you are. Without His love and His mercy, it's shown in the Bible. Because of Jesus, He created human, everyone from His own image. And He created all the food that we have in this world, the creation we having for us and the animals, and we overpower on the animal. How lucky and blessing we are. Thank you and God.